Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Health benefits of Makhanna, powerhouse of antioxidants and nutrients. Ferox is a perennial plant that is known as lotus seeds or gorgon nuts or Makhanna in India. It is normally grown in ponds and wetlands. Makhanna has been used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicines for thousands of years. Besides being tasty, Makhanna has a number of health benefits too. Instead of eating processed foods or junk foods, you can munch on roasted makhannas to avoid the trans fat. It can also be added to soups, salads, or can be eaten raw. But it is commonly used to prepare pudding or kheer, which is known as makhanna kheer. Makhanna is a low in fat food that you can snack on whenever you want. It is a stress buster food which also enhances the quality of your sleep. It is also approved to soothe the burning sensation of both the visceral and internal organs owing to its cooling properties. It has a low glycemic index that prevents obesity and keeps body fat in check. It has been known to cure anemia, acid reflux, and arthritis, and so on. If you're still wondering about whether to eat makhanna or not, I suggest you to watch this video. There are two types of people, one who like eating roasted makhanna and the others who don't like it at all. Let's get started. Number 1. Slows the aging process. Fox nuts contain flavonoids that are considered to be the strong antioxidants. They remove the harmful free radicals from the body and also boost the immune system. Fox nuts contribute to getting a healthier skin as they inhibit or slow down the aging process. They lower the chances of infection considerably. Fox nuts inhibit premature graying of hair, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. If you're still wondering how on earth someone would want to eat fox nuts, it's time to think again. Number 2. Contains a lot of protein. Studies say proteins are an important structural element of tissues and muscles in the body. Additionally, they help in the production of hormones, hemoglobin, and enzymes. Protein helps heal bones faster and prevent osteoporosis by stimulating calcium absorption and aiding bone metabolism. Fox nuts are loaded with protein and other essential nutrients. There is 11% protein in one packet of fox nuts, which is higher than the protein content of any other nut. Eating foods high in protein maintains the blood glucose level and effectively reduces the absorption of sugar from the meals. This is especially helping for patients of type 2 diabetes by balancing the required energy levels of the body. Since proteins control the level of sugar, they also control the level of cholesterol and keeps heart diseases at bay. Number 3. Keeps blood pressure in check. Fox nuts are rich in potassium but contain relatively lower level of sodium. This is beneficial for patients with high blood pressure. Sodium tends to stimulate hypertension and high blood pressure. Hence, fox nut is one of the best natural medicines to maintain normal level of the systolic blood pressure. Since fox nuts are rich in potassium, it keeps the heart beating at a steady rhythm and keep it healthy. Number 4. Fights infertility. Fox nuts maintain the natural water content of the body, which in turn makes the secretions of the body more hydrated. Fox nut or makhanna is considered to be the good for those having reproductive and sexual disorders. It's believed the consumption of makhanna can enhance the quality and quantity of semen in male body. Number 5. Contains a good amount of calcium. Calcium is the major component of bone building and is an essential element of attaining peak bone mass. If you are struggling with calcium deficiencies, then eating makhanna can be seriously beneficial for you. Number 6. Beneficial for kidney. Kidneys function properly when there is a steady blood flowing through them in a well-balanced pressure. As fox nuts help maintain the pressure of blood flowing through the kidneys is pretty constant. This ensures that our kidneys are working at optimum level. According to Ayurveda, fox nuts being natural astringents acts as a good cure against kidney disorders. Number 7. Treats insomnia. Fox nuts or lotus seeds are a natural sedative that keeps insomnia at bay. Lotus seeds are supposed to have calming effects and are antispasmodic, which means your nerves relax better and you get better sleep. It also helps the dilation process of blood vessels and helps you feel rejuvenated. This is due to the presence of isoquinoline alkaloids in lotus seeds. Number 8. Aphrodisiac. According to Ayurvedic and Unani beliefs, lotus seeds have aphrodisiac properties. They increase the libido in both male and female, thus leading to more sperm count in men and improved fertility rate in women. Number 9. Spleen detoxifier. Spleen is a part of the immune system that acts as a blood filter. Old red blood cells are recycled in the spleen and platelets and white blood cells are stored there. Lotus seeds rid the body of dead blood cells and purify the bloodstream. They boost proper functioning of spleen and keep it healthy. Number 10. Assists in arthritis. Gorgon nuts help patients with arthritis. They soothe the pain and numbness in joints. Lack of calcium in the diet causes calcium to deposit, which leads to joint pain. The high amount of calcium contained in makhannas is beneficial to maintain the proper calcium level in the body and prevent osteoarthritis. Number 11. Anti-inflammatory properties. Fox nuts contain flavonoids, which are secondary metabolites in plants. Flavonoids are anti-inflammatory and antibacterial that maintains the overall health of entire immune system of the body. Flavonoid also reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Number 12. Cure for diarrhea. Makhanna or the fox nuts have astringent properties that helps cure diarrhea. If you are suffering from prolonged diarrhea, the eating makhanna can be beneficial for you because it contains the high quantity of caustic properties, which is known to be beneficial in checking diarrhea and increasing appetite. Number 13. Against constipation. Makhannas are fiber-rich, which helps keep the digestive tract healthy and averts constipation and digestion problems. Number 14. High phenol content. Fox nuts have high phenol content than any other nuts or cashews. This property makes the fox nuts an effective agent in fighting against atherosclerosis and cancer. According to the study, the bioactivity of phenolics may be related to their antioxidant behavior, which is attributed to their ability to chelate metals, inhibit lipoxygenase, and scavenge free radicals. Number 15. Helps with coffee addiction. Apart from being healthy and beneficial for your health, makhanna can help you to get rid of coffee addiction. If you're a coffee addict and you badly want to get rid of this habit, you should keep a bowl of roasted makhanna on the table. Eating roasted makhanna can help you get rid of the coffee addiction. Thanks for watching this video.